So Iniko and Eva, they're doing great. And the really good news, I think the last update, Mike Clark at LA Zoo reported that Eva had really become a social butterfly. And the really good news is now Iniko is just as social. So they're both extremely social. You can see the photo on the left is the group of release birds. That's the next, they're in a batch with other birds that are getting scheduled for release. And they are just a really tight group. And you can see on the right photo, Iniko, this is as friendly as it gets. So Iniko has made a really good friend, and that's 1043. So that's a bird that Iniko has a really close bond with. So it's really cool to see even Iniko coming out of that evacuation kind of mode and really settling in and really getting comfortable with the other birds, because that's the biggest step towards getting them released this fall. So we're excited to see them both on track. Yeah, it's looking pretty good on that front.